Hi everybody, I have some really exciting news. As you can see from the title of this video, I am back. I am back as a permanent member of the Stationery Selections design team. I was part of the original design team, and after a year and a half I left to pursue some other things. And I've always stayed really close with the group and Mitz especially, and they've had some things shifting with the team now, and Mitz approached me asking if I would like to be back, and I happily and excitedly, enthusiastically said yes. So I am back. I have here the June stationery selection box. I know that August kits are arriving as I'm filming this, but Mitz has quite a few of the June boxes and wanted to send this one over to sort of start things off and to show that this kit is available in the shop. So let's go ahead and open it. So I know that she is sending kits via FedEx. That's how I got my box. I know that Japan Post is still having a really hard time with packages right now, so the benefit is that the kits are coming really quickly, which is really fun. So I have like I said, I have the June kit here, and I have got all the items listed right here, but I also do want to mention, she included a sweet little note. I love the origami folding. But I also do want to mention that she does have these wide up letterpress label books. This is the silver and black. It is really pretty. The designs are just beautiful. It has a very delicate silver foiling. You almost can't even tell. When I originally looked at it, it just looked gray, but now that the light is catching it, it's a very delicate foil. And then of course we have the black as well, and it looks like the design is continued on two of the labels, and then a solid complete label here and a really beautiful floral pattern. They are perforated, making it really easy to use, and there's quite a bit here. This little notepad is very chunky, so I'm super excited about this. These are listed in her shop regularly. You don't have to buy a kit or anything to get this. It's not included in the June kit, but they do have them in the shop. So the first thing we have is this really fun notepad, and this is from the Hyogensa. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's very big. And it looks like it's full of some Tokyo landmarks, which is really fun because the Tokyo 2020 Olympics are happening currently. Things are winding down now, but I have been obsessed with the Olympics. The Summer Olympics have always been kind of a big deal. I always loved watching them. Beach volleyball has always been my favorite, but I have also really enjoyed the track and field, and the swimming is also a lot of fun as well. But this notepad is full with a bunch of designs. Looks like this cover is just like a tasting of all the designs on the inside, but yeah, this is gonna be really fun to be able to document in my journal that we have been obsessively watching the Olympics this year. The next thing that we have is this really interesting eraser, and it's interesting because of the shape of the eraser. It's actually in a triangle shape. So let's see if we can get the cap off here. There we go. It's actually a twist top, so that's kind of fun. A little bit more added security there. And then the actual eraser twists as you use it. So it's quite big, but it's a triangle shape, so you can get into some really tight corners to erase things if you want, and it's a really great size. I think this is really fun. My boys are constantly in need of erasers because the ones on their pencils sort of go away after like the first 2 days of use. So being able to have an extra pencil on hand is really great. The next is this pack of Kita Washi strips. Now these have become super popular. I know that Kita has some PET little washi strips now, or I guess it's PET strips, and it's the clear ones, but these are really pretty. There's a really pretty watercolor plaid some, looks like it's meant to be like a floral pattern, and another floral pattern, looks like oranges and lemons, and then this really pretty swirly sort of bluish and greens color. This is perfect for summer. And the reason these are popular is because they come in like a matchbook style case, so they can stay protected and you can just tuck them into your pencil case. So that's really fun. Speaking of pencil cases, this very big case is staring at me, so let's go ahead and open it. This is really, really pretty. I really love this design, but let's go ahead and open it and get this tag off so we can sort of appreciate what we've got here. So it feels like it's double layered, so at least this part is. So it's pretty thick. It feels really, really sturdy. I love this color. Looks like it can stand up on its own, which is really nice. And then this buckle is just really nice. This leather and brass grommet button situation is really fun. And it looks like if you wanted to, maybe you could add something to that. I don't know really if you could. I don't know like if it's got a strong enough thing there, but it's just very cool design. Very classic design. It looks like it can hold a lot and it's super durable and I love the color. Let's go ahead and move the box. So the next thing we have is this really pretty pin. And as I understand, let's get it out. There were two different colors in the kits. There was this white bird and then there was a black one as well. And this is just a really beautiful embroidered white bird. I think it's really cute. It's very delicate and I immediately want to put it onto this pouch. It just really screams to add me on. So let's just find like the cutest place to put this. I think I like it right above the name. I like that it's felt too. So I think I want to sort of do it like that. That's what I want. Hopefully I won't prick myself on camera. How embarrassing would that be? There we go. Oh, I like the look of that. So cute. All right, and the last item in the kit is this really fun mechanical pencil. This is from the brand Kokuyu, and I love this brand. They have been really innovative over the past couple of years with some of the things that they are coming out with. And one of the ways this pencil is interesting is that it's octagonal shape, like an actual pencil would be, so you don't have to worry about it running away from you. But from what I understand, the way that you insert the lead isn't, you don't have to pull anything off. You just sort of put it into the hole there, which is really interesting. We didn't get any leads, but it's a 0.5 lead, so I could easily replace it, especially now with the school shopping season sort of being in full swing. And this is, again, another great option to have on hand for the kids. It just feels like a pencil because it's really shiny here like a pencil would be. And then down here, it's a little bit dulled out, exactly like a pencil would be. It feels like a pencil. It feels really fun. But let's go ahead and test this out. I know you guys are dying to see how well this works. Love the way that writes. Feels really good in my hands. Let's go ahead and try this eraser. I'm gonna try to use just the corner there. Super happy with that. And then I could easily, I don't want to shake the table too much, but I could easily just use the top of the eraser to cover the entire mark there. And then you just put it back on. So I really like this. This is really interesting, and I love that I can include everything in the pouch. I have said it in every single one of my unboxing videos that I really love it when I have something that will stay in my collection forever, and a pouch is definitely one of those things. I'm really, really pleased with this. I love how easily I can just take this on the go, and I really appreciate this decorative bit right here. This is just really fun. I don't think Miss has done anything like that before, so being able to have something decorative like this is just really, really thoughtful, and everything fits in the case. I could take this on the go right now if I wanted to, and I just really, really appreciate that. So yeah, like I said, I am back as a part of the permanent design team, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to share more unboxings and more inspiration and get creative with you guys using all of the supplies that Mitz includes in her kits. It's always such a fun experience to see what she finds. She's always on the hunt, and she really finds some fun, innovative things. And I'm just really excited. A lot of the things that she finds, she will just put into her shop as well. So if you don't necessarily want a subscription service, if you just want a one-off box, or if you just want some supplies, her shop is a great option for that. You can always, if she has leftovers of the kits, which she has, especially over the past year because shipping has been a problem, you can definitely get those kits after the fact as well. So that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I will, as always, include everything in the description box for you to find, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye!